Item number 31. The radius of a right cylindrical can is 10 cm and its height is 12 cm. Determine its volume. So the given problem, we need to find the volume or to determine the volume of the right cylindrical can. So we need to find the volume. And the given are radius, which is 10 centimeters. So radius is equal to 10 centimeters and its height is 12 centimeters. So height is 12 centimeters. So now, what is the volume of a right cylindrical can? So the formula in finding the volume of a right cylinder is the base times height. So the base is not yet known in this problem. We need to find first the value of the base. So the base formula is equal to pi r squared. Since the radius is already given, so now we can just substitute the value of radius in order to find the base. So pi times r squared, which is 10 centimeter raised to 2. So the base is equal to pi times 10 squared is equal to pi 100 square centimeter or 100 pi square centimeter. Well, we already obtained the value of base. You can write this one. So 100 pi square centimeter. Now we can substitute the values of the height and the base in order to find the volume of the right cylindrical can. Volume is equal to base, which is 100 pi square centimeter times the height, which is 12 centimeters. Volume is equal to 100 pi times 12. 100 pi times 12 is equal to 1,200 pi. So that is 1,200 pi. Centimeter square centimeter times centimeter is equal to cubic centimeter. This is the volume of the right cylindrical can. Volume is equal to 1,200 pi cubic centimeter. So in the choices, the most probable answer is 1,200 radius cubic centimeter. Maybe this is pi. The problem just got maybe the person who made this problem got nalipat. Ganun. Confused is the right term. Item number 32. If we draw a ball from a box containing 6 white balls and 4 black balls, what is the chance of getting a white ball? We can illustrate this one through a table. White balls or WB, which is 6 and the black balls or BB is equal to 4, and the total is, if we add the white balls and black balls, is 6 plus 4, that is 10. Now, what is the chance of getting a white ball? So white ball are 6, right? So the total are 10. So what is the probability of getting a white ball out of 10 balls? So since this is 6, there are 6 balls. So there are 6 out of 10 probability that a white balls will be selected or will be drawn from the box. So 6 out of 10 or 6 over 10 is equal to 3/5. So we have to divide the numerator and the denominator by 2 over 2, and the quotient is 3 over 5. In the choices, 3 over 5 is letter C. The answer is letter C. Therefore, the probability of getting the white balls out of 10 balls is 3/5. Item number 33. If the outcome of one event does not affect the probability of another event, the two events are A. Dependent, B. Complement, C. Mutually exclusive, D. Independent. The answer is letter D. If one event does not affect another event, therefore they are independent to each other. So this will not affect this event, and this event will not affect this event. Say A, event A and event B. If event A changes, it will not affect event B, because based on the condition that these two events do not affect each other. Therefore, if two events do not affect each other, it is an independent event. Therefore, the answer is letter D. Item number 34. If there are 4 ways of getting from A to B and 5 ways of going to B to C, then how many ways can we go from A to B to C? Okay. First, let me illustrate the given problem. So, if there are 4 ways kuno of getting from A to B, say this is A, point A, and this is point B. So there are 4 ways of getting A to B. So there are 4 ways. So 4 ways. Next. And 5 ways of going B to C. Say this is point C. So this is point C. So there are 5 ways of going from point B to point C. So this is 5 ways. Now, the problem is, how many ways can we go from A to B, and B to C? So, obviously, A to B is 4, and B to C is 5. So, in order to find the ways from A to B to C, all we only need to do is to add ways from A to B and ways from B to C. So, A to B plus B to C is 4 ways plus 5 ways is equal to 4 plus 5, that is 9 ways. Therefore, there are 9 ways of going from A to B and B to C. 4 plus 5, that is 9 ways. Therefore, the answer is letter C.